From time to time, it is necessary to restart Vivi devices. This could be to apply network configurations, synchronize settings, or to ensure they are running at optimal performance levels. A restart can be initiated through either the web console or Vivi Central. To restart in the web console, scroll towards the bottom of the status page. To restart through Vivi Central, open the Devices drop-down and select Configure Devices. Select the devices you want to restart, click on the yellow Edit Devices Setting button, then select Restart. A pop-up will appear allowing you to select either hard or soft restart. A soft restart is used when making configuration changes and to synchronize any changes with Vivi Central. This process takes approximately 20 seconds. A hard restart fully restarts the box. It is equivalent to turning the power off and back on, allowing the box to have a full reboot. This process is longer than a soft restart and takes around 45 seconds. Some organizations prefer to schedule restarts to their Vivi devices. This can be done through Vivi Central. Select Organizations from the left-hand menu, then select Scheduled Restarts in the upper menu. Select the yellow Edit button in the upper right corner. Use the drop-down to select either daily restarts or weekly restarts that will occur on Sundays. Once selected, choose the time the Vivi devices will be restarted. We recommend doing this outside of your organization's normal operating hours to prevent disruption to presenters. Then select if a soft or hard restart should occur. Select Save Changes to apply.